Subsequently, Senator Azuta Mbata, an Ikwerre man, was elected as the President General of Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, the highest cultural organization representing the Igbo people. While some saw this as a proof that Ikwerre are indeed Igbo, others, including God's Power Onwekwa, President General of Ogbako Ikwerre Worldwide, condemned it, stating that any Ikwerre man who accepts to be President General of Ohaneze Ndị Igbo is an enemy of the Ikwerre people. However, history has it that the founding fathers of the Igbo Union, which is today's day Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, included notable Ikwerre men like late Senator Obi Wali, late His Royal Majesty Eze Clifford Cheta Nkwuche, late Chief Jackson Mpi, late Chief Emmanuel Agoma, amongst others. The name Igbo Union was later renamed as Ohaneze Ndị Igbo in 1979. Despite these political differences, the linguistic and historical connection remains undeniable.